Hello and welcome back to another year of the NOTaR mod series. So basically, I'm really sorry guys, I've had uni exams, I've had uni coursework, I've had so much going on, so I haven't actually got around to filming anything, but I'm gonna get on it for the new year and I'm gonna have a video every 2 weeks until like April. So we're gonna have it nice and consistent for you guys because I know you wanted to find out what's happening with the Scirocco and obviously with the Plymouth. So today we are going to start the year off with a how-to. So it's going to be how to remove your rear diffuser because we have a new exhaust going on which has 4 tips. So the first thing that we want to do is we want to get the rear diffuser off. So I thought I'd make a video for you guys on how to do that. So let's get to it. So it's got 2 bolts holding it on, one at each end, and got 2 trim clips, I guess, holding in the middle, which are really tough to get off. I really did struggle with those. And then it's got the same clips running along the top of it as you have on the front center grille if you've watched that video before. So the first thing you want to do is unbolt the 2 ends and remove the trim clips. Once you've done that, on the outer side of where the bolt sits, there is another clip, which is similar to the ones that I showed you before at the top, inside of it. But basically you have to unclip that and then it will free up that end for you to get your hand behind it. So then we can start removing the whole diffuser. There we go. Oh, okay. So you got to push down on this clip and pull it through this hole. So with that side unclipped, then we want to move to the other side. So with the 2 side bolts removed, the 2 sides outside of that unclipped and the 2 center trim bolts removed, then we can work on removing the clips at the top of the diffuser. I found a mixture of gentle but firm pulls and looking underneath and making sure that the clips were pushed through to make it easier worked the best, and that's how I managed to get it off in one piece without ripping it. Okay guys and girls, so you have to definitely pop these off like that. Screws there, then you have this little stupid clip thing on the side, which these were the hardest bit, and that is the original one off. And this right here is what we will be replacing it with. So don't mind all of this stuff, this is just the plastic film, but got a nice little cut there. We're gonna cut this side, which is gonna be a separate video. And there's not as many clips, but hopefully it will be plenty to hold it on. So that'll be a whole nother video, but that is how you remove your rear diffuser. And that concludes today's episode, guys. So as you can see, there was a bit of a tough one and those plugs were a bit of a pain, but all in all, very easy to remove that. So I hope you enjoyed the episode, guys. Please leave a comment down below if you're having any troubles with you doing it on your car, and if you've got any tips and tricks. So please leave a like and a comment, share the video with your friends, and I will see you in the next episode. Cheers, guys.